Hi, this is Katie Jilka, and this is my first screencast-o-matic video, and it's going to be over Popplet. I use Popplet a lot in my first grade class, and the first thing you'll want to do when you Google Popplet, it comes up with popplet.com, and then you'll want to log in. And it brings you up to the Popplet homepage. I've already created an account, obviously, and I've started a Popplet of my own. There are example Popplets, and I'm going to go through a few of these to give you some ideas on what you could do with your kids or what you could have your kids do. They could use it for note-taking. This is notes about New York City. I like that they can add pictures, websites, and regular notes. Then you can I do this more often than not when we're doing nonfiction texts to map out facts that we've learned. Again, you can add pictures. Another one that I think is pretty neat is this one. This one has only pictures, and it shows a history in that form. So that's a creative way you could have your students use Popplet. I have started creating my own Popplet over here. And we are reading a story about sea slugs and have started mapping out what we have learned. Okay, so far we've recorded that they live in the coral reef, they're camouflaged, and they're very colorful. In order to make another Popplet box, all you do is double click, and you can add information in the box. Breathe through skin. You can change the size of your font. You can change the color of your box. To connect your box to your main topic, you just drag from one of these little gray dots. Whoops. Well, I just created another box. You drag and drop. So let's continue with what we can do in here. Let's see. You can add a drawing. Of course, you would want it to be better than that. But you can also add images from your computer, upload from YouTube, etc. It's kind of neat. You can't use Popplet on an iPad. You use Popplet Lite, which is an app, and the kids can manipulate these boxes and select each of these options with their fingers. And it really is a pretty neat app. It goes quickly. You can take pictures right on your iPad, which is often easier than on your computer. If you wanted to make a new Popplet, you just click and you name your Popplet. And then you just start creating. Let's look at these tools. You can organize your little popples, but you have to select them, and I select them by pushing Shift and clicking. And let's see what we can do. I'm going to organize them horizontally, or you can organize them in a row. Align vertically, maybe. make into a column, and then it moves as one. Let's see if there's anything else I'm forgetting about Popplet. You can share. Oh, and don't forget to use the free version of Popplet. This is the free version. They have upgraded versions that you can pay for. The free version of Popplet is very, very useful in my first grade classroom. I don't feel like I need the more expensive versions. Well, I hope this was informational, and I hope you can use Popplet in your classroom.